Welcome to this video. In today's lesson, we will learn about anchor text and why it plays a big role in SEO and link building strategy. Anchor text is the visible text that you click on in a hyperlink. It helps user understand what page they will land on and helps search engine understand link context. There are different types of anchor text. Each type has a unique impact on SEO when used properly. Search engine use anchor text to determine the topic of the linked page. It helps in ranking and also improves user experience. For best results, keep your anchor text relevant, natural, and balanced. Do not overuse keywords or repeat the same text everywhere. Avoid over-optimization and linking to low-quality content. These mistakes can trigger Google penalties and reduce trust. Anchor text works best when surrounded by relevant content. This provides context for both users and search engines. Use tools like Ahref or SEMrush to track anchor text profiles and backlinks. It helps ensure your link building strategy stays healthy. Anchor text tells user and search engine what a link is about. Use it wisely to boost your rankings, improve user experience, and avoid SEO penalties. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more about SEO and link building? Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.